Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable phone number sharing on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Google. Here in Google, and services on this device, you can see the autofill. Okay, tap the autofill. Here in autofill, you can see the phone number sharing. Okay, tap this. And the phone number sharing is disabled. And to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the phone number sharing. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled phone number sharing on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.